Asuntskehtiö Ketturin.
It's also amazing today on the 15th of March 2023. We have Kettutie. They're making the first stake is C, and we should also get the stake is bigger. We have the stake is A.
Yeah.
Look at this, so we should finish it. So it should be
Yeah.
the best is 4% preference, but on the panel it's actually on 20 for some reason.
Yeah.
This was built in, it was 55 in A, so it's also here.
Yeah.
At the turn of the year 1955-56, so that's beginning of 56. Last in 1992. Turned 65 years old in 2021. Rosage turned 30 years old in last year, 2022. And December is a 6369. And we expect the next year, 2024. And here's the graph for its lowest one. Let's go to the top attic floor. With half floors here. The half floors were added later here. Another transferring machine room.
The same.
Y means like yläkerros, because it's a half floor above the real one.
Inspected by device that maintained by Kone.
But that would be yläkerros or upper floor.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Also for one was added later.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's